If you want to go ahead and download out all of the photos that you have in Google Photos, then you can utilize something called Google Takeout. So to do that, you need to go around on the settings right here and then simply scroll down, and here you can see that export your data is an option. Once you go around over here, it says backup and archive of your data is an option. Let me just go around onto backup, and then it actually takes you to Google Takeout, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is choose Google Photos, which is selected by default. So now what you can do is see that everything is saved in multiple formats. Let me just go ahead and click on next, and here you can choose how you want to export it. So export once or export every 2 months for 1 year. Then you can choose the GZ format or zip format. So I'm just going to select zip file, and you can even choose how large one zip file can be. So let me select 1 gigabyte right here and click on create export. Once you do that, what happens is that the export process is there, and it says Google is creating a copy of the data of Google Photos. So now in a while you will receive an email, and from there what you can do is simply download out your photos. So over here, you can see that I'm in my inbox, and it says your Google data is ready. And now you can see that it has to download files. So you can simply go ahead onto download. And then for security purposes, you need to go ahead and then enter out your password again. So let's just go ahead and enter that out right here and sign in onto our account again. And you can see that it says the total file size is 256 megabytes, so you can download it out right there. So let me just go ahead and click on download right here again, and then what happens is that this file will be downloaded as well. So once you do that, you can see that these files are being downloaded, and then you can see that I got these folders right here where I have my photos stored out. So all of the photos right here, as you can see right here, just like this, like everything else right here, like this, the photo right here, as you can see right here, is actually saved out. So all of it can be exported just like this, and then you can simply see that everything is arranged in dates right here, just like this. And that is how you can actually go ahead and then download all the photos as you need via Google Takeout, as you can see in Google Photos, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe